Just check out the condition of these front struts. So let's check out these new struts. These are a 41mm big bore oil filled strut with a poly lower bush. So clamp your strut in the vise and then put an orientation mark on the top plate so that you know where the outside is. So take your spring compressors, you need one for each side, and we just need to take enough tension off this spring to be able to remove this nut without it flying off. Well, that's a shame. I wasn't expecting to find a damaged spring cushion. So I'll take the opportunity to upgrade the bushings in the top mount to polyurethane. That's a much better alternative for four-wheel drives, particularly if you're carrying heavy loads off-road. So I'm going to take a drive and collect a new bushing kit. I'm back again. I've just collected my new polyurethane strut mount bushing kit. So clamp your new strut in the vise and then follow their instructions as to how to assemble the top mount. It's all very clear, so I don't need to go through it with you. So I've laid out all the components for the top mount on the bench here in the order from bottom to top. Just be careful with the top mount here. These three studs are not concentric, so this can only go one way. So you can spin it around, you can find the right spot for it.